the yoga burn. Alrighty, so to get you folks a view from the inside, I actually went ahead and purchased the program myself. So without further delay, let's see how it went. First of all, I just want to show you a couple of screenshots as I purchased the yoga burn so you guys know the checkout process. All right, so as soon as you finish the payment, you'll get this notification to let you know what you'll see on your card statement. Once you click the OK button, this is what you'll see. Now, many of my readers mailed me about this page saying, "Whoa, what's all this? Where's my yoga burn program?" Yep, this particular screen is kind of messy, I agree, but it's the typical ClickBank layout. And what you'll have to do is click this small download or access digital product button located here. And with that, we are inside the Yoga Burn website. And this, my dearies, is where frustration begins. What? Yep, page after page of offers and one-time opportunities. So many that I thought I'm never going to get to my program. Anywho, if you ask me, you don't need any of these opportunities or upgrades. So just scroll down on all these upsell pages and click on the no thanks links. I think you'll have to do this 4 or 5 times. But wait, believe me, it's still worth it when you see what you're getting. So finally, we get to the Yoga Burn members dashboard. You'll see all of your videos in here. So first of all, you'll play the welcome introductory video.
My name is Zoe, and I'll be the instructor guiding you through each and every video. I'm so excited to share with you all of the transformative tools I've learned through thousands of hours teaching yoga and personal training.
All right, so that's Zoe. Okay, so below this video, you'll see the 3 phases of the Yoga Burn program with 3 videos in each phase. You also get an audio version. Let's try and play one of these.
Hey, let's get started. Stand at the top of your
Whoa,
mat
where
and
is it
breathe in to
playing?
stretch the arms up overhead.
Okay, it was at the bottom of my
Exhale
screen,
and
my
fold
bad.
forward.
Anyway, let's check out the video version.
Hello, ladies. I can't wait to guide you through your first phase.
All right, let's play one from the second burn phase.
Hey, let's get started. Stand at the top of your mat and breathe in to stretch the arms. Breathing out to release. Press. Draw the elbow towards that left leg. Hey, today we're starting in a child's pose. Bring the toes together, knees open. Want to get that left arm just an inch or 2 above the floor as you're twisting.
And down here are the bonus videos. Let's play one.
The next 15 minutes will be a real treat. This video is a restorative practice that is geared to take care of the forehead on the mat. If the forehead doesn't easily reach the mat, you can always put a
And all the way down, you can download the entire program, all the videos to carry offline. This is actually what I've done. Very handy. No need to be online once you download them all. I usually play the videos on my phone when I'm doing the workout. And that's it, people. That's Yoga Burn for you. A complete inside look. Now, if you ask me, the value for money over here is tremendous. For less than $50, you're getting access to a full-blown yoga course, which is definitely awesome. Plus, Zoe is a very good instructor, someone who does yoga correctly. Believe me, there are many dubious instructors who have no idea what they're doing. So ultimately, what do I think you should do? I think you should definitely try this one, especially when they're giving you a full 60 days refund guarantee. I think you'll see some results within the first 4 to 6 weeks itself. And if you don't, you can always get your money back. So that's that. I wish you all the best.